Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant's prediction year 2021. And this prediction is for fourth quarter. I already make three videos of first quarter to third quarter. And now in this video, I will let you know which type of events you will see, you will face in fourth quarter of 2021 for Sagittarius Ascendants. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or sun sign. Just follow your ascendant sign and watch my video. This prediction is from 1st of October 2021 to 31st of December 2021, and as per ascendant sign Sagittarius, this is for you. For Sagittarius Ascendants, 1st October to 14 September 2021, Jupiter is in your third house in retrograde and direct motion. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. When Jupiter is direct, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, and there's a long distance journeys will make you happy. You may get some foreign work permit, or you may get some any type of foreign related activity which will make you happy. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will earn money from multiple sources. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Sagittarius, you will be sky high and bounce back in fourth quarter. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled after your hard work. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Sagittarius, you need to do your best in fourth quarter as well, and after your hard work convert in your sweet success. You will get a lot of appreciation from your workplace, from your seniors. You will get a lot of appreciation from your business associates, and you will get some big order from foreign land, which will make you happy, and you will earn a lot of money from foreign activity. Some foreign transaction will make you happy, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Money matters will be far better in fourth quarter. From 1st October 2021 to 14 September 2021, Jupiter is in your third house. Unmarried people may get chance for get married, and if you are in affair, your love affair will turn in a long lasting relationship like marriage. If you are in living relationship or love relationship, it will be turned in a marriage. Sagittarius, you need to do some strong karma, because this year 2021 will brings lot of good events in your life. You will learn a lot of things from your practical life, and you will become diamond after your struggle. But this year will brings lot of positivity, lot of positive events for you. Especially first, second and fourth quarter will be a biggest game changer for you, when your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled. And if you wanna switch off your job, then first, second and fourth quarter is the ultimate. From 15th November 2021, from 15th September 2021 to 21st of November 2021, Jupiter again enter in your Sagittarius sign. Capricorn sign in your second house. Ascendant Lord in second house in Karka Bhav. Second house is a Jupiter Karka Bhav and conjunction with Saturn, and create Dharam Karam Adhapati Yog. Sagittarius, you again bounce back, and you will enjoy a lot of cash. Your all debts will be clear, and if you want a new loan from government side, you can your loan will be click, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Money matters will be far better. Unemployed people may get job, and you will enjoy long distance journeys related to your work, related to your profession or business, and you will get very good orders. If you are importer exporter, if you are businessman, you will get a lot of big orders, and some foreign transactions will make you happy, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Sagittarius, fourth quarter will brings biggest positive change in your finance. You will be sky high and top. Some unexpected expenditures may irritate you, but you will able to handle all expenditures very nicely. Second quarter and fourth quarter will be ultimate for unexpected money from stock market. If you are already investing your money in stock market, you will earn a lot of money. Sagittarius, if you are willing to invest your money in stock market, then second and fourth quarter is ultimate for you. You will earn a lot of money from there. And if you are already investing in from last few years, you will earn a big amount of money, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine. You will enjoy mental comfort. You will feeling much relaxed. Your homely atmosphere will be wonderful. Sagittarius, to 1st of October 2021 से लेकर 14 सितंबर 2021 में जुपिटर आपके असेंडेंट स्लॉट थर्ड हाउस में ट्रांजिट करेंगे. कुछ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जर्नीज आपकी हो सकती हैं, जिसमें आपको बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट मिल सकता है, जो बिजनेस से रिलेटेड या जॉब से रिलेटेड होंगी, जिसमें आपका सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, एंड यू विल एंजॉय ऑल टाइप ऑफ कंफर्ट्स. आपको जो आप चाहते हैं वो आपको फोर्थ क्वार्टर में मिलेगा। 1 अक्टूबर से लेकर 14 सितंबर 2021 योर असेंडेंस लॉर्ड ट्रांजिट इन योर थर्ड हाउस, इट विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ गुड फॉर्चून। अगर आप अनमैरिड हैं तो आपकी शादी हो जाएगी। अगर आप अफेयर में हैं या लिविंग रिलेशनशिप में हैं तो वो आपका जो रिलेशनशिप है वो लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रिलेशनशिप में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। यू विल एंजॉय लॉट ऑफ कंफर्ट। आपके सीनियर्स आपकी परफॉर्मेंस से बड़ा खुश होंगे। आप अपने वर्क प्लेस पे अपना बेस्ट करेंगे और जो आप चाहते हैं वो आप कर पाएंगे। यू विल अर्न मनी फ्रॉम मल्टीपल सोर्स एंड यू विल एंजॉय लॉट ऑफ कंफर्ट्स। सेजिटेरियस, आपको जरूरत है फोर्थ क्वार्टर में पॉजिटिव अप्रोच के साथ आगे बढ़ने की। आपके पास कुछ नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी। अगर आप उन अपॉर्चुनिटी को अवेल करते हो, यू विल बी टॉप एंड स्काई हाई, यू विल बी रॉक। किसी चीज की कोई कमी मुझे फोर्थ क्वार्टर में बनती हुई नहीं दिखती। लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस जर्नी, पीआर या वर्क परमिट आपको इस साल 100% मिलना है। अगर आपके ऊपर कुछ पुराना कर्ज है तो वो 15 सितंबर 2021 से लेकर 21 नवंबर 2021 के बीच में खत्म हो जाएगा। अगर आप कोई नया लोन लेना चाहते हैं गवर्नमेंट से, गवर्नमेंट रिलेटेड कुछ बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज के लिए, बिजनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए लोन लेना चाहते हैं, तो भी वो 15 सितंबर 2021 से लेकर 21 नवंबर 2021 के लिए जो टाइम पीरियड आ रहा है, जुपिटर अगेन आपके सेकंड हाउस में कैप्रिकॉन साइन में सैटर्न के साथ कर्म धर्म कर्म अधापति योग बनाएंगे और अपने कारक भाव में होंगे। असेंडेंस लॉर्ड इज इन सेकंड हाउस, यू विल गेट बिग अमाउंट ऑफ मनी, you will get some money as an inheritance or gift from your elder at your family. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Cash flow will make you happy. Sagittarius, this year you will face lot of positive events. Some challenges are there in third quarter, but you are able to handle the situation very nicely because your Jupiter, your ascendant lord, is in very strong position, Karka Bhav in second house, and then again in third house in whole 2021. From 21st of November to 31st of December 2021, Jupiter again transit in your third house in Aquarius sign and aspecting is on your 5th, 7th and 11th house. You will make new friends. You will get a lot of support from higher authority. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comfort. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. Health of your father will be far better. And your relationship with you and your father will be ultimate. You will get a lot of blessings from your father or grandfather side. Your love life will be excellent. From 21st of November 2020 to 31st of December 2021, you will enjoy all type of comforts. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Some gains through stock market, or you will earn some unearned money. And your old debts will be clear. You will be in a far better position at the end of 2021. From 21st of November 2021 to 31st of December 2021, you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Guys, you need to do your best at your workplace. You will get fantastic results in 2021. Beyond your expectations, which you never expected from you, you will get that type of positive results. But you need to polish yourself. You need to do your best. You need to do your 100% best performance at your workplace and you will be sky high and top. Nobody can stop you. Your competitors are not able to stand in front of you because you are the king in 2021. Fourth quarter will be ultimate for you. From 21st of November 2021 to 31st of December 2021, you will enjoy a lot of comforts and good relationship with your family. You will get a lot of blessings from your father and grandfather side, but you need to be careful health of your father and grandfather in first, second and third quarter of 2021. किसी किस्म का आप अपने पिता से रिलेटेड या अपने दादाजी से रिलेटेड कुछ हेल्थ इश्यूज आपको महसूस हो, उनकी हेल्थ में कुछ वीकनेस महसूस हो, तो उस चीज़ को इग्नोर ना करें। नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें। इस साल, ये साल आपका होगा। अगर आप थोड़े से एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट आप अपने वर्क प्लेस पे डाल दें तो चीज़ें वैसे काम करेंगी जैसे आपने नहीं सोची होंगी। कभी कभी ज़िंदगी में वो होता है दोस्तों जो हमने सोचा नहीं होता। अच्छा, हमेशा नहीं कि वही होगा और वो होगा जो बुरा होगा, ऐसा नहीं है। कभी कभी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में हो जाती हैं, अच्छी चीज़ें जो हमने सोची नहीं होती। तो आप अपनी सोच को बड़ा करें, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग के साथ आगे बढ़ें। ये साल आपके लिए बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ लेकर आ रहा है, फॉरेन सेटलमेंट लेकर आ रहा है। अगर आप विलिंग हैं तो आपको पीआर मिल सकता है, वर्क परमिट मिल सकता है। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फॉरेन जर्नीज बिकॉज जुपिटर एस्पेक्टिंग इज ऑन योर 8th हाउस एंड योर 9th हाउस होल 2021. So there are strong chances you will get PR or you will get migrate in foreign land. So guys, You need to do your best at your workplace because your workplace will shine. You will shine like a sun in 2021, but you need to put your 100% efforts and you will enjoy a lot of success. I'm telling you again and again, you need to touch feet of your father every day morning. Even try to touch feet of your father 3 times or 2 times in a day if you are living with your father. If you are not living with your father, you are living far away from your father, then you must keep in touch with your father through phone call. You can make phone call 2 times in a day. You need to take care of your father through your phone call. You need to send some gift to your father. You should wear yellow sapphire, right hand index finger. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your good fortune is in your favor and you will enjoy all type of success in 2021. Guys, this is your year. If you do your 100% best at workplace, you will be shine like a sun. Nobody can stop you. So I'm praying for your happy 2021. I'm praying for your successful year and I'm looking forward to your great success. And I'm also praying for your parents' long age. And keep in touch. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Happy New Year 2021. Jai Hind.